Oh yeah, it feels like a good fish too, unless it's a big turtle. No, Gator, no. All right, fish on, guys. Dylan's fighting it. Yes, catfish. Woohoo! Can you hear him?
Oh.
What's up, fish head? Today, what we're doing is we're catching some bluegill. We really only need one good-sized bluegill, and we're gonna take it to the lake tomorrow and use it for catfish bait. We're gonna compare the fresh cut bluegill to our special secret chicken bait that we always use and see which one catches more catfish. What do you think, Dylan?
I think bluegill's gonna do better. It's like a natural bait for them.
The first thing we have to do is find out if there's any bluegill that we can use for bait right over here. So let's catch some fish.
Yeah.
All right, Dylan's gonna be using bread ball bait. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Do it. Do it. Hit the like button. It's also a competition to see who can catch the most bluegill, just for fun. But if I win, Dylan has to clean the house, so it's a pretty good bet.
What do I get?
I gotta get this thing baited or else I'm gonna let Dylan win.
Hey, here's a fish.
Got one?
Yeah. Oh, it's a good one. It's a purple head.
Oh, nice.
First keeper fish.
All right, guys, that one is clearly over 8 inches. So Dylan now has our bait for tomorrow's video, which is outstanding. Oh yeah, Dylan got the bait, guys. Check this out.
Woo.
They gotta be 8 inches. That one is like 10 inches.
Yeah.
Solid one, dude. That is what we're gonna catch catfish dinner on tomorrow, guys. All right, my turn. Dylan's up now, 2-0. I gotta catch up, but we do have bait for tomorrow, so that's awesome. Starting to get pretty excited. Here we are at the campground. We're gonna go fish off the pier. What do you think, dude?
Yeah.
High Bluff recreational area. We made it to the lake and we're the only people here. Yes. Nice and calm too. I got a great feeling, guys. It's gonna be a good one out there today. Let's catch some catfish. We're keeping the setup pretty simple today, guys. We just got the 2 rods, a cooler with the 2 different kinds of bait in it, and the extendable net. Catch and cook, please. Gorgeous Lake Talquin. We got some bluegill to use for cut bait. I got one of the rods baited up with bluegill, and I got the other rod baited up with our special recipe of chicken breast. Between these 2 baits, I'm hoping we catch a catfish, and hopefully we'll be on some fish here pretty soon. All right, so we got the chicken out there fishing. Now we got a chunk of cut bait on this one. Hopefully the catfish won't be able to resist this. Come on, fish, take it down. Oh yeah, he's on there. I feel him. I feel him. Yeah, I think he's on. Let's see if we got one on here, guys. Yep, we got one. Oh yeah, it feels like a good fish too, unless it's a big turtle.
Oh no.
Could be a big turtle, guys. Or it's a catfish. Let's see. Oh, it's a big turtle again.
No, it's a frog shell.
Yep, another turtle. All right, buddy, you're free to go.
Oh.
Perfect 10 on the dive.
Flavor of the day.
Not sponsored yet, Mountain Dew. Just saying. Got some size 4/0 circle hooks, 3/4 ounce lead on like a 1.5 feet a leader. Pretty simple rig. It's another turtle.
No.
Ah, these turtles are killing us, guys.
Red.
Don't bite it. Oh, he's biting it. All right, re-rig time.
I can only imagine that.
These turtles just wreak havoc on your equipment. It is chicken breast that we chunked, and then we poured a tub of chicken livers in there, and it's been soaking. It's got like 48 hours of soak time, and we've been catching a bunch of turtles on it so far. Oh yeah, that's bites. That's bites.
Go.
Dylan's gonna take this one. You're ready. It's loaded. Reel, reel. All right, he's on, guys. Drag's a little loose. Let me tighten that. Okay, there we go. Fish on.
I don't know. Is it?
I think so.
Nice.
All right, fish on, guys. Dylan's fighting it.
Oh, yeah, he's on.
Or he just let it get snagged up.
No, he didn't.
It's fighting?
Fighting.
Oh yeah, that's looking good. Got some size to it. Be a fish, not a turtle. Come on, fish. Let's get them in here, guys. What do we have?
Whoa. I think it's a turtle. Feels like a turtle or something.
What's he got? What's he got?
Where is it?
It's down. Come on, be a catfish. Yes, it's a nice size catfish. Oh. Yes, catfish. Woohoo!
I did it on the bluegill.
There's the catfish, guys.
I win.
Catch and cook is happening.
I win the
Yes.
competition.
Woohoo!
Competition, right, Dad?
Nice. Oh yeah, guys, that's what I'm talking about right there. There you go, Dylan. Solid.
I win.
Sweet. Cut bluegill for the win. He did bite me, guys. Check that out. Okay. Oh, Dylan's on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, fish on.
I don't know, it doesn't feel right.
You might have lost it, guys.
Nah.
Still on there.
I think it's still on.
See what we got.
It's still on.
Oh yeah, another catfish.
I don't know, but it just dove hard.
Oh yeah, another nice catfish. Oh yeah.
Oh, a bigger one. Get the net, hurry.
Yep, let me grab the net.
Aren't we?
Dylan said it was bigger, but I think it's just a hair smaller.
Oh.
Still a good one though.
Wait, you can catch the turtles, I'll catch the catfish for you.
Hard to lip this guy. He's got like a big overbite. All right, that's two. Right rod. Oh yeah, right rod for sure. Quick, it's loading up. Go. Go, 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 go. It's loaded. Oh yeah, fish on, guys. He's got it.
No, it came off.
It came off. Oh no.
Ow.
All right, guys. Dylan accidentally caught a gator. Can you hear him?
Oh.
Now you gotta release him. See you later, gator.
Woo.
There he goes.
Yay.
See you, buddy. We see. Look at all this meat, guys. This is some really good looking meat. We're getting it right down to the bone here. So we just ride the fillet knife right along these bones. That way we get the maximum amount of meat that we can. Perfect. Oh yeah, guys, look at these amazing fillets. So much meat. This is gonna be perfect for frying up. Great day, successful mission to the lake. But now it's time to cook them up. We're gonna fry them. We got a little recipe we're gonna show you. We're also doing a low country boil. We got shrimp, crawfish, corn on the cob, sausage. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Check this out. Oh yeah, water's almost boiling, guys. We're gonna put all the stuff for the boil in there first. Once that's all in there, it's basically just a waiting game, and then we'll do the catfish. Crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. Get that all seasoned, and then put the rest of the ingredients in there so that that can be going while we're making the catfish. Onions in the water. Also throw a couple lemon wedges in there. Also, you got to have some corn on the cob in there. Cajun sausage. We made a special trip today, guys, down to the Asian market, and we got these mushrooms. I think they're called king oyster mushrooms. They're huge and fat. We're gonna throw those in there too. Huge shrimp and the crawfish.
There's a claw this big on one of the crawfish right on top of the pot.
But what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna prep up the herbs. We got thyme, oregano, and Thai basil. I'm gonna stack them up and cut them So we're gonna coat these fillets, or now catfish nuggets, with the lemon juice, and then that'll make the batter stick to them better. Oh yeah.
Right here.
This will be incredible. Hey, Zach is in the house.
He just woke up.
Zach woke up, guys. There he is. All right, guys, we're putting the fish into the oil, nice and coated with our seasoned batter. All right, let those fry up. All right, guys, just for the taste test, I removed some to put on this plate. Lucas, did you get enough shrimp?
I didn't get any
Oh,
shrimp.
no.
No. I'm doing it.
Oh, look at this, guys.
There's my plate.
Catfish, crawfish, shrimp,
With lemon.
mushrooms, corn on the cob. Check this out. We got the full boil and the catfish. Crawfish, shrimp, sausage, corn, and catfish. We're gonna do a taste test here for you guys. First thing we're gonna try is this catfish. Cheers. It is amazing. So good. Look at that meat. Super flaky, white, tender meat. So good. Try this body out, guys. It's amazing. All right, guys, we're gonna call it for now. Appreciate everybody for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Join us again soon. We've got a really cool video coming out this Friday. We just had one come out last Friday. If you haven't seen it, check it out. It went all over me, guys. But thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.